Hey everybody, hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'm just going to do a really quick unboxing of what's supposed to be the Peak 2.4 dash cam. Ordered it online last week and finally came in the mail, so we'll go ahead and do a quick unboxing. The purposes of this camera is just going to be basically as kind of surveillance or backup in case anything ever goofy happens when I'm in my truck and I need video evidence of what happened. But also, because of all the crazy driving situations I see when I'm driving, it might also make for good video YouTube content, so who knows. Anyway, I hadn't taken it out of the box yet, so basically you and I are going to be seeing this thing for the first time together. Standard fair packaging. It's a little box inside of a big box. That just looks like my invoice and paperwork. So it says Peak Dash Cam 2.4 LCD monitor. It says it has a G sensor, night vision, loop recording, park mode, and viewing angle. Viewing angle is 120 degrees. It includes a section mount, USB charger, car charger, and a 4 GB SD card. I'll probably upgrade that in the near future, to be honest with you. Made in China, in case anybody was ever wondering. And yeah. Interactive user interface, 2.4-inch LCD screen, microphone, USB charging, micro SD card slots, auto on off, and a 360 swivel ball section mount. Ball. Left here. Well, packaging at least seems pretty simple. You'll ever get those packages where you feel like you need to have an engineering degree just to get it out. So once you open up the box, it all comes out in a plastic slide-on tray. We have user manual. It's like your car charger with a long cable. Comes in handy. The section mount. This looks like, I guess, a computer cable, so you can download things onto your computer. And the dash cam itself, if I can get it to pop out of there without hurting it anyway. So yeah. So my truck right now is at the shop getting her upgrade. I'm not going to announce what the upgrade is on this video, but once I get the truck back, we'll get this installed and I'll try and keep you guys updated on how it's doing. Hope you guys are having a great day, weeknight, whatever time it is, wherever you may happen to be. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. Really appreciate all of that. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.